Viewers, welcome to you all on my channel. Today our topic is how to run one-way ANOVA in Minitab. Here we have example from Sher Mohammed Chaudhary's Red Book, example number 20.1. So here one thing we should know that in Minitab we generally put the all observation, how many columns, like how many factors we have. We put all the factors observation in one column, and then second column we do coding for all observation. So simply we copy the column and put the first column, then copy the another column and delete these observations from the columns. So for the coding, there's many ways to do coding. You can do in numbers, and even you can do in English letters. So we do in English letters. So we have three factors with the four observations in each. So we do coding like that. uh, for the first column we coded A. For the next column four observation we do coding B for the second column, and C, and whatever you want you can do. So here we done with the coding, and for the results we go in stack, then ANOVA, then one way ANOVA, because we are doing one way ANOVA. Here we have option response data are in one column for all factors levels. Yes, we have put it all the observations of different factors in one column. So we select one column, and here so the response factor we put the observations column here, and in the factor we put coding column. In option we have assuming that the all populations, all factors having equal variances, and our confidence level is 95%, which is journal, and type of confidence interval two-sided, and okay comparison. So this is used when the H naught will be rejected, then we use there are three testers of four, Takes and Fisher and Dunnett test. When we have H not reject, and we checking which factors mean equal and which factors mean different from each other. So skip it. Graph, which graph we need? Simply we say we need only a normal pp plot, then okay. Results, we need all the results, method, factors, information, analysis of variance, model summary means okay. Storage, we don't anything from storage, so simply just okay, and then okay. So here we have results. Null hypothesis, we have all means are equal. Alternative hypothesis, no, all means are equal, and the significance level is 0.05, which is journal. Here we have three factors and analysis of variance. We have ANOVA table over here. We can see the sources of variance, degree of freedoms, and sum of squares, mean squares and f value. If we have table value, we can compare it with f value. Simply use p value to compare that our means are equal or not equal. So we have here p value is 0.113. So here the h naught is being accepted because when p value greater than 0.05, then we accept our h naught, otherwise we reject our h naught. And for further, we have s value here, r square value here, and adjusted r square, etc. Then we have summary statistics, means, standard deviations. At the last, we have graph of normal pp plot, because all the observations are on the line, so we say data is normal. So that was all about our today's lecture, that how to run one-way ANOVA in Minitab. So inshallah we will so at the end, I need your cooperation and the sense of subscription of my channel and pressing the bell icon. So I would be very thankful to you and other. So that was all about today. Inshallah, we will meet in next video with a new topic. Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself.